All right, 5:47. This is week 2. So as you can see, this master is going to be massive. This is going to be the walk-in. This is going to be the master bath. And we're going to have a rain shower. On that side here, it's going to be a rain shower. Or, yeah, I'm thinking about the rain shower right there. Toilet over here. Double sink. I'm going to figure out how to get that sink in here. And then it's going to be the second bathroom here. All right, so toilet, you mark the floor, toilet, sink, rain shower, door, 32-inch door. All right, so you can see a little bit here. I'm waiting for the plumber to come so we can really work out how this master bathroom space is gonna lay out. The brick guys are coming to finish this stuff up on Monday to close these windows up. So we got the door in, 32-inch door for the second bedroom. Closet's gonna go right there. Nice big closet. Okay. And the patio is done and drying. Gonna put a fence around that, get all that trash out of here. Patio came out beautiful. Okay. All right. I'm gonna have them jack that beam up a little bit. I'm gonna have them jack that beam up some. Maybe about 6 inches, well, about 3 inches. Okay. I like how wide these stairs are. Carry a ton of furniture up here. Okay, we're gonna do the box ceiling. Doors are going in, 36-inch door in the front, 30-inch door in the back. Thought it would be smaller than that, but it's good. Got the cameras in to monitor activity. So these are field deer cameras. I had to mount it real tight on the wall. So what these cameras do is when contractors are saying, oh, I didn't touch it, I didn't steal it. Well, the argument stops when you got a recording. Okay, go to the basement. All right, camera back there to monitor the whole space. Plumber's gonna come and get all this dirt out of here and finish up their work. All right, they closed up that window. Okay. All right. Excellent progress. Week 3. It's the basement. So this is for the waterproofing. So yes, I did dig for the waterproofing. This place is going to be waterproofed. Sump pump is going to be here. Bathroom will be over there with an ejector pump. This is all permit work, not no baloney. When we work on the house, we do the real deal. We don't cut corners. When I sell someone a house, I'm selling them quality, not garbage. Okay. All right, so this is the week 3 check-in. All right, that joist was repaired, fixed, replaced the end. All right. Coming along, week 3.